Welcome to Winning Solutions, Inc.'s Pool Service and Repair Appointment Tracking Database Template. If you own or work for a pool service and repair company, this template would be perfect for keeping track of appointments. If you watch this demonstration and you really like the template, but you own or work for a different type of company, feel free to contact WSI. We can customize database templates to make them compatible with any type of company that you own or run. Let's get into this demonstration. We're going to start adding a new customer. We'll name our fake customer Mrs. Julianne. We'll give her an email. There's a lot of information we can fill out for our customer. We'll just fill in a bit for this demonstration. We'll add a phone number. You could also add addresses, notes about the customer, a picture of the customer, call history, appointment history, and payment history. Let's go ahead and save and close this. Now that we have a customer to search for, let's see how that's done. You can search by any of the data fields. We'll search by last name, Ann. Select Search. And there's the customer we just created. From here, we can double-click and view or edit the customer's profile. We'll leave it alone and close it. Let's schedule an appointment for this customer. View the schedule calendar. It comes up in daily view. You can also see it in weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly views. We'll use daily to set up our appointment. Let's make this appointment start at 8 a.m. Double-click in that time slot. We're scheduling our new customer, Julianne. We'll use Person 1 for our employee. For type, we'll use Filtration, which is $50. Selecting this increases the invoice automatically. Let's use Location 1. All of this information is here for demonstration purposes and is completely customizable. We started this appointment at 8. Let's change the end time to 9 a.m. We can also add multiple workers to help on this appointment. The payment method can be added. Finally, let's add a custom color to make this appointment stand out on the calendar. Let's make it green. The color helps a lot with organization. If you have multiple appointments on the same day, different colors can be selected for each, so you can see at a glance when each appointment begins and ends. You can also search for your appointments by day, location, start date, end date, etc. Let's search by date. Select Run Search. And there's that appointment. Follow the link in the video description below to download a demonstration version of this template to try out, or to purchase the full version. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. Brought to you by WSI. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe or like our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs. I'm going to post our contact information in the description below this video. You can also find us on LinkedIn, X, and Facebook. Please follow or like us. We post quite frequently. Thanks again. Have a great day.